Want to start using Obsidian on your Windows PC? In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Obsidian and then get it ready for your first notes. First, open your web browser and go to obsidian.md. This is the official Obsidian website, so it's the safest place to download the application. One useful thing to know about Obsidian is that you don't need to create an account or sign up just to use it. The core application is free, so you can download it and start creating notes without paying anything. Obsidian does offer some optional paid services if you need additional features. For example, you can use Obsidian Sync to synchronize your notes between devices, Obsidian Publish to put your notes on the web, or get priority support. If you don't need any of these services, you can simply use Obsidian for free. On the Obsidian website, click Get Obsidian for Windows. This will take you to the Windows download option. Click Download for Windows, and your browser will begin downloading the installer. Once the download is finished, open the downloaded file to start the installation. The Obsidian setup window will now appear. First, you'll be asked whether you want to install Obsidian only for yourself or for anyone who uses the computer. If you're the only person using Obsidian on this PC, choosing only for me is usually the simplest option. Click Next and you'll be able to choose where Obsidian should be installed. You can keep the default destination folder, which is normally fine for most users, or choose a different folder if you prefer. Once you're ready, click Install. The installer will now copy the necessary files to your computer. This usually doesn't take very long, so just wait for the process to finish. When the installation is complete, click Finish. You'll also see an option to immediately launch Obsidian. If you leave that checkbox enabled, Obsidian will open as soon as you finish the installation. The first time you start Obsidian, you'll be able to choose your preferred language. After selecting your language, you can choose Quick Start, which is a simple way to get familiar with Obsidian. After clicking Quick Start, you'll arrive at the Obsidian welcome screen. From here, you can start exploring the application and create your first notes. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future Obsidian guides and other tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.